Hi besties, you're welcome to Dr. Rose's kitchen. Today's recipe is low budget okra stew recipe. Yes, potogum na shiegum. That is what we are coming to do right now. Shout out to all my subscribers, my returnees. You guys are so amazing. I really love you so much. Keep supporting me. Let's get started. So I chopped my garden eggs off camera and then my ademe or ayoyo with okra. Okay, so I'll transfer everything onto my pot. I'll add some water and then keep stirring. Okay, stir till everything mixed up and then transfer it onto your stove. Bye bye. Okay, so I'm gonna use some pomo, okay, or willy or cow skin. So it's been washed very well with some tolo beef and then some cured fish kako and then some garlic and ginger powder and then salt. All right, so I'll go ahead and add a little water and then I'll cover it and transfer this one to onto my stove. Then we are coming to chop, or we are coming to, yes, blend our pepper and onions. Okay, this recipe you're going to blend everything together. Feel free to add your garlic and ginger. Okay, so you're looking for something like this, exactly like this. So this is my salmon and my herring. Okay, so this is the pomo. I'll go ahead and introduce my blended vegetables. Okay, my pepper mix, guys. Charlie, this one there. Then I added some shrimp cubes. Okay, and then followed by my all-purpose spice or all-purpose seasoning. I stirred this very well and then I left it on the stove to cook for a while. Then I introduced my protein, my smoked herrings and then salmon. Then I stirred it very well and then I left it to cook for like 2 minutes and I added my okra. Guys, just look at that. Look at that. This one you're gonna need less protein and then more vegetables. So you stir very well till everything is well combined. Okay, so this is my red oil or my palm oil, and I'll add some cured fish with some onions. So we're going to fry this and then pour it on the okra. You can choose to eat it like this, like the oil is. You can also choose to add oil. Okay guys, if you've watched this recipe up till this point, then it means you like this recipe. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and for sharing. Okay, I really love you so much. This stew is budget free. Okay, I used the available ingredients I have in my fridge to prepare this. You can also do the same thing, and you can feel free to use your favorite meat to prepare this recipe. Guys, just look at that. Just look, this okra stew is giving. It's giving. Oh my god, it's giving. I just can't wait to enjoy this recipe, and I can't wait for you to also try this recipe and let me know in my comment section. Okay, wow. So at this point I'll go ahead and serve the boss of the house. Okay, he's not at home at the moment, so I'm gonna give some to him wherever he is right now because I can't enjoy this alone. Okay, so after serving my boss, I'm going to call a dispatch rider to go deliver this to him wherever he is right now because he can't miss this. He can't miss this recipe. Okay, now the madam herself. Okay, the madam herself. I'm coming to enjoy myself with you guys. Okay, all you would do for me is to keep swallowing your saliva because I know you are salivating right now and there is nothing I can do to help you rather than to help you or to tell you to keep swallowing your saliva. I just can't wait for you to prepare some and then leave it in my comments that you did some and it was so nice. I remember my mom used to prepare this type of okra stew and then it tastes so delicious. This is potogum na shigum. Oh guys, potogum na shigum. It means oh my bibi and feel. You just grind or blend things rough. You don't make it smooth. Okay, so that when you are eating, you just feel everything in it. Okay, you feel every vegetable in this recipe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking my videos, my supporting my videos. I just can't thank you enough. Words can't express the love I have for you guys. Keep supporting me. See you in my next video. Bye.